Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing amazing. I am one of the traders at Forex Lens. I mostly trade supply and demand with some of the smart money concepts, and I am a full-time trader. I am also funded at FTMO, and this year we'll be sharing more value to our community. New videos will be uploaded on Mondays and Fridays. Be sure to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and click the notification bell to be alerted for new videos. And if you have questions or comments, we'll be responding to comments in the comment section in the first 24 hours. And if you would like to join and learn a lot more about supply and demand and smart money concepts and how to combine both the strategies so you can get a powerful strategy with high risk reward ratio, you are more than welcome to join and choose one of our monthly or 3 month, which is our most popular, and our yearly plan. I'll drop the link in the description below so you can take a look at it. Once you become a member, you will enjoy the benefits of getting trading signals, of joining our live streaming, where we go over the charts. We analyze the charts and we try to get more setups for the week. You can ask questions. Basically, you'll get a mentor there. You will not only learn about supply and demand, you can also learn about smart money with our smart money trader also. So yeah, you get a lot of benefits. You can get advantage of our Discord server and ask questions, place questions there, ask for opinions, or if you want me to check your chart, you can go ahead and send it. So those are one of the benefits you'll get at the Forex Lens community. It's going to be a lot easier if you already know a strategy, if you learn a strategy that has been already built, that has been, that it's already proven, and that we get very good results. So if you're interested in learning more about supply and demand and smart money concepts, you're more than welcome. Send us an email, contact us, send us a DM, and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. And before I go, basically my strategy, I am a trend trader. Basically what I do is I try to identify bullish or bearish structures. After I identify my trend, I try to identify if the price has reasons to go higher, has reasons to go lower, has reasons to continue the trend by identifying simple terms, simple liquidity concepts like fair value gaps, like inefficiencies, which is to me the same thing. And if we have those reasons, yeah, we can still trust our trend. Now what we do is we choose a spot 4 hour or 1 hour order blocks, and inside those 1 hour order blocks we can go to the 1 minute time frame, the 5 minute time frame, which is my favorite, the 5 minute time frame, or the 3 minute time frame, looking for break of structures so we can get a high risk reward ratio. So let me give you an example. This is how my charts look. It's naked trading basically. I'm currently seeing this order block in the 4 hour level in gold, and we have this inefficiency up there, and we see that higher highs are being created, and higher lows are being respected. So basically, I'm in the 4 hour order block. And now what I'm waiting is this. I need the price to break this structure in the 5 minute time frame. We also have a support. I'm sorry. We also have a supply level there. So some sort of confirmation, some sort of evidence that we're getting buyers stepping into the market. So once we have a movement like this, let's say movement like this, a candle that breaks through the high of the 5 minute time frame in the supply level, we just wait for the order block to form in the 5 minute time frame or the 3 minute time frame, and we wait for the retracement, and then we just go with the trend. And this is what let us have a high risk reward ratio. Last month we had a 20R, 20R. It was a good month. It was a slow month, but we still managed to get a good risk reward ratio, high return to our account. So yeah, this is just simple demonstration on how I trade. Of course, there is a lot more to get into consideration, but it's just a little look on how I trade with supply and demand and the smart money concepts. Have a wonderful day, guys, and see you at Forex Lens. Bye bye.